What is the typical salinity range in the Arctic Ocean? Have you ever wondered how salty the Arctic Ocean really is? The salinity of this unique body of water is quite different from what you might expect. The typical salinity range in the Arctic Ocean falls between about 30 and 34 practical salinity units. This range is lower than the average ocean salinity, which usually sits around 34.5 to 35 practical salinity units. One reason for this lower salinity is the influx of freshwater from rivers and melting ice. The Arctic Ocean is known for having some of the freshest waters among the major oceans. This is largely due to the limited exchange with saltier ocean waters. In fact, surface waters can dip below 30 practical salinity units in areas where river influence is strong or where there is extensive ice melt. As you go deeper into the ocean, the salinity can change. Deeper waters, especially those influenced by Atlantic water entering through passages like the Fram Strait, can have salinity values that are closer to or even slightly above 34 practical salinity units. The formation and melting of sea ice also play a significant role in salinity levels. When sea ice forms, it expels salt into the surrounding water, which can increase salinity. On the flip side, when ice melts, it dilutes the seawater, leading to a reduction in salinity. Over time, older sea ice loses much of its salt content as brine pockets drain out, further affecting the salinity of the water. In summary, the Arctic Ocean's salinity typically ranges from about 30 practical salinity units in fresher surface waters to around 34 practical salinity units in deeper or more saline layers. This dynamic balance between freshwater inputs, sea ice processes, and ocean circulation creates a fascinating environment in the polar regions. Understanding these salinity levels helps scientists study the unique oceanography of the Arctic and its impact on the global climate.